Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this project, a very lovely and soft heart-shaped pillow. You can use it for yourself or you can do it as a gift for someone you like. For this project I use 3 skeins of yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Let's begin. We will start with the bumps of the heart, so you need to do 2. So let's begin. We do a magic circle and 6 single crochet into the ring. This will not count as our first stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We close the ring, and now for the second row we need to do an increase in each 6 stitches. So 2 single crochet 6 times. 1 and 2. Place your marker in the first stitch and continue like this until the end of the row. For row 3 we will do 1 increase and 1 single crochet. So 2 single crochet in the same space. We place the marker into our first single crochet and we do 1 single crochet. We continue like this until the end of the row. At the end of the row we will have 18 stitches. For row 4 we need to do 1 increase and 2 single crochet. So 2 single crochet in the first space. We place the marker and now we work 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. We continue like this until the end of the row. At the end of the row we will have 24 stitches. For row 5 we have to do an increase and 3 single crochet. So we will do 2 single crochet in the same space. We place the marker and we work 3 single crochet in the next 3 spaces. So 1, 2 and 3. We work like this until the end of the row. At the end of the row we need to have 30 stitches. For row 6 we have to do an increase and work 4 single crochet. So 2 single crochet in the same space. We place the marker and now we work 4 single crochet in 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We work like this until the end of the row. At the end of the row we will have 36 stitches. For row 7 we need to do an increase and work 5 single crochet. So 1, 2, we place the marker and now we work 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We work like this until the end of the row. At the end of the row we will have 42 stitches. Row 8 we have 1 increase and work 6 single crochet. So 2 single crochet in the same space. We place the marker and now 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We work like this until the end of the row. At the end of the row we will have 48 stitches. For row 9 we will do an increase and work 7 single crochet. So in the first stitch, 2 single crochet, we place the marker and now work 7 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We work like this until the end of the row. At the end of the row we will have 54 stitches. For row 10 we need to do an increase and 8 single crochet. So 2 single crochet in the same space, we place the marker and now we work 8 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We work like this until the end of the row. At the end of the row we will have 60 stitches. For row 11 we need to do 1 increase and 9 single crochet. So 2 single crochet in the same space, we place the marker and we work 9 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We work like this until the end of the row, so until here, and at the end of the row we will have 66 stitches. Here I finished row 11, and now for 8 rows ahead you will only single crochet, so you will not increase. For the first bump you need to fasten off your tail like I did here, and with the tail of the second one we will work along our project. Now we need to attach the two bumps, and we will do this like this. We will loosen up a little bit the loop and we will insert the loop here. We will grab it like this. This will not count as a stitch. Now we will work along the first bump edge. So we will need to do 66 single crochet. I will meet you when the two are joined here. I've done the 66 stitches around and I have reached this point, so the last stitch of the first bump. Now we will do the same as we did when we began. So we insert the hook here in the last stitch that we did, and we grab the loop and we pull it through it. Okay, we will tighten a little bit, and now we will work again 66 single crochet until the end of the first bump. I will meet you when I'm finished. I have finished the other 66 stitches, and now for 2 rows, so row 21 and 22, we will have to single crochet around. So the first stitch that you will need to grab is this one. So I will show you. So this one, it's not straight like the others, it's a little bit on the side. So you need to insert your hook and do here the first stitch. You will place the marker. It will guide you when you will work along. I will meet you up when I've done the 2 rows. For row 23 we will have to do 1 decrease and work 9 single crochet, and we have to repeat this 12 times. So 1 decrease, which is grab the front end of the loop the front end of the second loop and do a single crochet. You place the marker and now you work 9 single crochet. So remember, you have to repeat this all the way around. At the end of the row you will have 120 stitches. I have finished row 23, and now for row, 2 rows ahead, so row 24 and row 25, you only single crochet around without decreasing. For the previous rows you need to follow this pattern. So now you can see. So row 26 you will decrease, work 10 single crochet, and you will repeat this 10 times. You will single crochet around 2 rows. Then for row 29 you will decrease, work 9 single crochet, and repeat this 10 times. You will work like this until row 50, where I will meet you. I have finished row 50 and I started to stuff the heart because later on it will be harder to reach the beginning point. Now for row 51 you need to single crochet around, so you will not do any decreases. For row 52 we will do a decrease, then a single crochet. So 2 single crochet together, we place the marker, and now we do a single crochet. We continue like this until the end of the row. At the end of the row we will have 20 single crochet. I finished row 52. For row 53 you need to single crochet around. For row 54 we will do a decrease, so 2 single crochet together, and then work 2 single crochet. We will repeat this 5 times, so 1 decrease and 2 single crochet. We work like this until the end of the row. At the end of the row we will have 15 stitches. For row 55 we need to single crochet around. As you can notice, I put some more stuffing into the heart shape because after this row it will be very little space to do that. So for row 56 we need to do a decrease and work 1 single crochet. So 2 single crochet together and 1 single crochet. You work like this until the end of the row. At the end of the row we will have 10 single crochet. For row 57 we will do 5 decreases. So we will repeat a decrease 5 times. This is 1. I finished row 57. I finished stuffing, and now we need to close the little hole in here. What you need to do is insert your needle through all the 5 loops that you can see. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and as you can see, the hole closed. Now you will tie a knot like this, and you will insert your needle through your work. like this. You need to cut the yarn and fluff it a little bit so the end will not show. I'll come back to get you a better view of the pillow. This is how my pillow looks like. I hope you like this project, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have a comment, write it down below.